Hey, this is Jimmy with Entrypoint by Perry. So we're about to go brighten up some people's lives. Follow me.
A few moments later.
So let's go right over here, take a look-see at what, and open your eyes.
Oh, that's beautiful. I mean,
The guys did an amazing job.
they did
Made it
quick.
beautiful. Did it quick, 37 minutes. 2 doors, 2 side lights, all done. What inspired you to come to Entrypoint?
I walked in, your store looked great. When I walked in, I saw all these great doors.